Hi guys, good morning. Today we have minus 9 degrees. We have very nice weather today. It's very sunny and blue sky. I'm going to show it to you our view from the balcony. Here we are. It's very cold today. Look at the drops of the water in very interesting, like a curtain. Very cold at the top of the trees. It's icy, very icy. Very cold weather, but it's very nice. Sun and snow. We haben heute Nacht einen Besuch. Wir wissen nicht, welche Tiere ist das. Eine Spur. Unglaublich schön. Herrlich, herrlich. Das ist der Fetzkopf. Ein wunderschöner Platz. Oben. So. Ich muss wieder rein. I feel very cold outside. Very cold, very cold. So, here we are. Oh my God. What a wonderful day. Blue sky. So I have to go in already because I feel very cold. I cannot hardly touch the screen of the photos.
Dann ist mal Hirschfleisch heute.
Können wir gern machen. Ich habe kein Problem damit. So here we are. Let me